Handling the ratio equation for quantitative business analysis. A ratio problem is one where the equation relating two pieces of data is given as a ratio. It's usually in the form of product X, let's say Air Jordans sell 100 units at $100. For every $5 increase in price, there's a 2-unit decrease in sales, which only makes sense. For most things, when you increase the price, the number that you're able to sell goes down, and vice versa. Now, we got to look at the parts. There's the bases, the deltas, and the ratio factor. The values that things start out as are the bases. In this problem, the base price was $100 and the base quantity was 100 units. The differences are the amount that things change from the original. So if the base price is 100 and the new price is 90, then the difference in price is 10. But the deltas is the relative change in each item. Now remember, the problem said for every $5 decrease, every $5 increase in price, there was a 2-unit decrease in quantity. So the delta price is $5 and the delta quantity is 2 units, or actually negative 2 units. So the ratio factor is the number that connects the two parts. So let's look at an example. Product X sells 100 units at $100. For every $5 increase in price, there is a 2-unit decrease in sales. What is the quantity when the price is 90? And so these are the steps that we're going to go through. First, we're going to figure out the difference in price. The difference in price is the new price minus the base price, or in this case, negative 10. Then we need to figure out the ratio factor. The ratio factor is the difference in price divided by the delta price. So the difference in price is negative 10. The delta price was 5, because remember, for every $5 increase in price, there was a negative 2, there was a 2-unit decrease in sales. Then, to figure out the difference in quantity, the ratio factor, which we just figured was negative 2, times delta quantity, which was negative 2, because there was a 2-unit decrease. Negative 2 times negative 2 gives us 4. Then we have the new quantity. The new quantity is equal to the base quantity, remember that number that we started off with, plus the difference in quantity, which we just figured out. So it would be 100 plus 4, or 104. Another way to look at it is, first, the difference in price equals the new price minus the base price, or negative 10. The ratio factor is equal to negative 10 divided by 5, or negative 2. The difference in quantity is equal to negative 2 times the delta quantity, or negative 2 times negative 2, which is equal to 4. The new quantity is equal to the base quantity plus the difference in quantity, or 100 plus 4, for 104.